To submit documents to Shopify for account approval, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your submission is successful. Make sure you have all necessary documents ready before you begin. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify account by entering your credentials on the Shopify login page. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to the account settings. Once logged in, go to the settings section located at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Click on Account to access your account settings where you can manage your account details. Step 3. Locate the document submission section. In the account settings, look for the option related to account verification or document submission. This section may be labeled differently, so carefully read through the options available. Step 4. Upload required documents. Follow the prompts to upload the necessary document. Make sure the files are in the correct format and meet Shopify's requirements. Common documents include identification, business licenses, or tax information. Step 5. Submit for review. After uploading your documents, review all information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to send your documents to Shopify for approval. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your submission was successful. After completing these steps, wait for Shopify to review your documents. You will be notified via email regarding the status of your account approval.